Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix all Windows Media Player issues and errors on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Whether you're facing playback errors, crashes, or the app isn't working properly, this method will help you reset and reinstall Windows Media Player to fix everything. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and select Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click on System. In the System menu, scroll down until you find Optional Features, then click on it. Here, you'll see a list of installed features. At the top, there's a search box that says Search Installed Features. Click on it and type Media Player. You should see Windows Media Player Legacy appear in the list. Click on it, and now you'll see a Remove button at the bottom. Click on Remove, and Windows will start uninstalling Media Player from your system. Wait for the process to complete. Once it's removed, the next step is to reinstall it. At the top of this same page, there's an option that says Add an optional feature. And right next to it, there's a button that says View Features. Click on View Features. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Media Player. You will see an option called Windows Media Player Legacy App. Click on it. Then, at the bottom, click Next, and then click Add. Windows will now start reinstalling Windows Media Player. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait for it to complete. Once the installation is done, Windows Media Player will be restored, and your errors should now be fixed. You can now open the app and check if everything is working fine. That's it. If this method helped you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting videos.